Good morning, everyone. Thanks for being prompt. Let's quickly run through today's priorities. David, how's Mr. Henderson doing on Ward A? Still reporting intermittent episodes of breathlessness, is he? We need to monitor his oxygen saturation closely, especially after any ambulation. Sarah, how about Mrs. Albright in B ward? Her complaints of nausea seem to have subsided, which is positive, but she mentioned some discomfort in her lower back this morning. Please assess that thoroughly. It could be muscular or something else entirely.
Right, MIHIRAA. Mr. Henderson's sats dipped to 92% after his short walk to the restroom. We've got him back on low-flow oxygen, and he seems more comfortable now. I'll keep a very close eye on him and document any further episodes.
Noted, MIHIRAA. I'll do a full assessment of Mrs. Albright's back pain. She described it as a dull ache, radiating slightly. She's usually quite stoic, so even a mild complaint warrants a thorough check. Oh, and just a quick update on Mr. Finch in C ward. His blood glucose levels have been fluctuating quite a bit overnight. We've adjusted his insulin as per protocol, but we need to monitor him closely for any signs of hypo or hyperglycemia.
Excellent. Vigilance is key with all our patients. Remember, seemingly minor complaints can sometimes indicate underlying issues. Let's ensure we're communicating effectively and documenting everything meticulously. Any questions before we start our rounds?
I understand how much you were looking forward to this family visit, Mihira, but I want to share some important health advice regarding your son's recent chickenpox diagnosis. Because chickenpox is highly contagious, it is essential to reach out to your niece as soon as possible to inform her of the situation. We must consider the uncertainty of her own immunity status. If she hasn't had the virus or the vaccine, she could be at significant risk. This is particularly vital if she falls into a high-risk group or lives with anyone who does, as the complications can be quite serious for those with weakened immune systems. To ensure everyone's safety and well-being, the most compassionate choice is to delay her visit until your son is no longer infectious and all his blisters have completely scabbed over. Protecting your loved ones from exposure now will make your eventual reunion much more joyful and stress-free. Your son's recovery is the priority, and keeping your niece informed is the best way to care for the whole family right now.